Hello everyone. Today we discuss electrolyte versus non-electrolytes. Let's see what is the difference between electrolytes and non-electrolytes. Electrolytes meaning is any substance that produce ions. Ions means cations and anions when it dissolves in water. For example, if you dissolve table salt, sodium chloride in water, it completely ionizes, dissociates or breaks into sodium plus cation and chloride minus anion. So those are electrolytes. So in the presence of ions in water, they have ability to conduct electric current. So those are electrolytes. On the other hand, non-electrolytes, when they dissolve any substance in water, they do not produce ions in water. We call non-electrolyte substances. For example, glucose, sucrose, hydrogen peroxide, or any organic solvents, they do not produce ions after we dissolve in water. So in the absence of ions in water, they don't have ability to conduct electricity. So those are non-electrolyte. Now electrolytes, we can further divide it into two groups, strong electrolytes and the weak electrolytes. Strong electrolytes meaning is they 100% or completely dissociates into its constituent ions. Example, sodium chloride, table salt. Initially it is in solid form, but after we dissolve in water, it produces sodium plus cation and chloride minus anion. And another example, hydrobromic acid, strong acid. When it dissolves in water, it produces H plus cation and Br minus anion. It's completely 100% breaks into its ions, constituent ions. So those are strong electrolytes. There are 7 strong acids and 8 strong bases. We discussed in acid-base video. So those are strong electrolytes. Weak electrolytes. The term weak is they weakly or partially to small extent dissociates giving ions. The remaining exist as molecular form in water. Example, weak acids and weak bases. Weak acids like acetic acid, weak bases like NH3 ammonia. So let's see what happens after they dissolve in water. So if we dissolve acetic acid in water, only small amount of acetic acid breaks into acetate anion and hydrogen plus cations. So only few amount of ions present in water. So they are weakly electrically conductance. So we call weak electrolytes. And another example is ammonia, NH3. When it dissolves in water, only few ammonia molecules breaks into ammonium plus and OH minus. So only fewer number of ions present in the solution. So they are weakly electrically conductance, weak electrolytes. The remaining exist as NH3 molecules or acetic acid molecules. They prefer to stay as a molecular form. Only few dissociates into ions. They are weak electrolytes. They produce ions but very weakly. So non-electrolytes difference is they exist as molecules without producing ions in water. Examples are non-polar gases, they are non-electrolytes, and non-polar organic compounds like hexane, toluene, and also glucose, sucrose, hydrogen peroxide are few examples of non-electrolytes. They exist as molecules without producing ions. So they are non-electrolytes. In the absence of ions, they are not electrically conductive. I hope now you all understand what is the difference between electrolytes versus non-electrolytes. And electrolytes we can further divide it into strong versus weak. Strong electrolytes examples are strong acids and strong bases. Weak electrolytes examples are weak acids and weak bases. Okay, If this video is helpful, please subscribe, and if you need any other topics to discuss, please mention in the comment section. Share with your friends for their help too. Thank you so much for watching.